Girl, is you really down to pay the cost? Reverse the role that you can play the boss. Already knowing my vision is faded. I try to evade it but can't. I know you far from insane, but I keep lying to me, cause I've been dying to meet. And it feel like I follow you out in the street, and I promise you all that I know. Everywhere that my mind goes, elevated, heart strong but my head faded. Way back when we first dated, I'm gone now. Had to go cause I'm on now. When my intuition got me in the mission. We see eye to eye but you ain't in my vision, oh no. I said oh no. Back in the day I used to say, a girl like you I used to pray for days for. Now I'm out here like way more. What the fuck would I stay for? Why the fuck would I pay for something that's just gonna kill me? Nikki, I'm still me, but I'm just better. It's been 6 months since we touched last, but I grow fast with this letter.